It's a 2011 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Rear parking sensors, remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, V6 engine, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, auxiliary audio input, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, and memory exterior door mirror settings. Motor Trend writes, the Enclave stands out for its quiet ride. There's something to that quiet tuning marketing speak. The Enclave gets several things at the factory that its intra-divisional counterparts don't. An acoustic laminated windshield and front door side glass, special damping material on the underbody, tar, and triple door seals and engine mounts. You don't have to raise your voice much to be heard by any passenger. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.